Hello students, I am Assistant Professor Vishakha Rasal. Today we are going to start our subject Supply Chain Management. In this lecture number 1 of Supply Chain Management, we will understand what is the concept of Supply Chain Management. Supply Chain Management is the broad range of activities required to plan, control and execute a product's flow from materials to production to distribution in the most economical way possible. SCM, that is Supply Chain Management, encompasses the integrated planning and execution of processes required to optimize the flow of materials, information and capital in functions that broadly include demand planning, sourcing, production, inventory management and logistics or storage and transportation. Companies use both business strategy and specialized software to create a competitive advantage. Now students, let's see what the supply chain management is. See, here we have seen supply chain management is the broad range of activities required to plan, control and execute a product's flow from material to production to distribution. It will start from supplier. So these are the parties involved in supply chain. Before starting supply chain management, we will see what the supply chain is, how this supply chain is made up of. The supply chain is made up of supplier, manufacturer, distributor, retailer and customer. If any business want to be in profit, they must have their supply chain very strong, because many players are working there in supply chain. See, supplier gives material, supplier supplies material to the manufacturer. Then manufacturer makes something, manufacturer produce some goods and then manufacturer sends that goods to the distributor. Then distributor sends that goods to the retailer and retailer finally make it available to the customer. Now here, first party involved here is the supplier. When supplier sells some material to manufacturer, manufacturer makes something from that material. That time, manufacturer plays a role of customer, because manufacturer is ordering something from the supplier. So manufacturer will be here customer and supplier is the supplier. Then next phase, manufacturer to distributor. Now manufacturer will give something to, manufacturer will sell that goods to the distributor and distributor has ordered that goods from the manufacturer. So distributor is the customer here and manufacturer is the supplier here. In the last phase, manufacturer was the customer and in this phase, that is from manufacturer to distributor, manufacturer is the supplier and distributor is the customer. Next, distributor to retailer. Now here distributor will be the supplier as he is providing that things to the retailer and retailer is ordering, so retailer will be the customer here. And in last phase, retailer will be the supplier and customer will be the customer. But when customer provides feedback regarding all this supply chain management, that time customer will be the supplier here, because customer is providing feedback. So this is the supply chain. And what we are going to study in this subject, we are going to study activities involved in supply chain. There are many types of activities involved between supplier to manufacturer, manufacturer and distribution, distributor to retailer, distributor and retailer, retailer and customer. There are many activities involved in this supply chain. How to manage all that activities, how company can manage all that activities efficiently so that company will be in profit, that we are going to study in this subject. So what are those activities? The activities like customer relationship management, customer service management, demand management, order fulfillment, then manufacturing flow management, procurement, product development and commercialization, returns management. There are different type of activities between these parties. They are always occurring. They are the part of their work. How to manage all that activities efficiently and effectively so that company will be in profit, that we are going to study here. So this is all about concept of the supply chain management. We will talk the next part of this lecture, that is objectives of supply chain management, in next video. Thank you. See you in next video.